Here is how to share large files using WeTransfer. So let's get started. First, come to the browser on your laptop and search for WeTransfer.com. Then here click on I agree. And here we have two options. We can either add files or add folders. So based on what you want to add, just select one of these. So I selected add files. And the next thing you have to do is locate the files in your file explorer which you'll want to send. So let's say I want to send some files from here. Then all I have to do is select them. And if you want to select multiple, just click on Control and then start selecting the files. Then select Open. And you can see the files have come here. So they have a 3 GB transfer limit and you can see how much you have remaining. Once this is done, there are two methods to transfer files. One is via email and the second way is by sending a link. So I'll show you both of these methods. If you want to transfer these files via email, over here just click on Email to, and we can select up to 3 email IDs to transfer to. So here, just enter the email IDs, click on Enter. The same way, you can add 2 more. After that, the next step is to enter your email ID. So just enter that, and later they'll send a confirmation mail to this email ID. The next step is to add a title to the transfer, and you can add a message if you want to. Then you have to decide how long you want this transfer to be valid. So if you click on this, in the free plan, they only have 1 day or 3 days. So if you select 3 days, then these files will be valid only for 3 days. And if the person doesn't download them in these 3 days, you'll have to resend it. And now if you want to transfer it, just click on Transfer. They've sent an email to your email ID and you'll have to enter the verification code. So over here, you can see this code they've sent. I'll just paste it here. And then click on Verify and Send. And as you can see, it's now getting transferred. And now it's done, and we have all of the details over here. So this is going to expire 3 days from now. Then you can also see if it's been downloaded, then how many times it's been downloaded, and things like that. So this was the first method via email, and now I'll show you how to send it via a link. So the same way, once you've selected the files, the only change you have to do is click on the 3 dots over here, and then click on Create Link. After that, you'll have to enter your email ID over here, and then they'll send a verification like earlier. So for now, you can see it's verified since I did that in the previous method. And the only thing left to do is enter a title and a message. So you can just enter whatever you want. Then the same way as before, decide how long you want this link to be active. So currently, it's 3 days. And in the free plan, this is the maximum limit. But if you have the paid plan, you can select any of these options. So I'll select 3 and click on Get a Link. And now it's done. We can copy the link from here and send it to whoever we want. And for the next 3 days, they can use this link to download the files. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to use Google Drive to share files, check out this video. Goodbye.